Hello guys, this is the second episode of my Flappy Bird series. Today we're gonna do pipes because what is fun without pipes? So let's get coding. First, let's go into pipe sprite. And if you show this sprite, now this sprite will be anywhere, but I just position at 240 because Scratch's screen size is 480 to 360 pixels, which is actually 240 to negative 240. So this is a max. Okay, what? Okay, yeah. Now this pipe will create a copy, which is a clone, and move to the left, and the clone will move to left, and the player, which is our Fluffy, needs to go inside this empty space. So drag out the when green flag click block and go to 240 by 0. And also we're gonna hide this front. Then we're gonna loop forever, create clone of myself. But you need to wait because or not I'll just wait for 1 second for testing. You can play around these values. So what is your best choice? And show. Then we're gonna repeat until the X position is less than negative 240, and here will be X position. Oh, just a minute. And here you'll change X by negative 10, but we have a problem. If you see right now, those are working excellent, but the problem is they are stucking. Oh, now what if we remove wait 1 second, then the pipes will go like that, and boom! Then soon as we hit a 300, no more clones. Yeah, nothing. So we need to delete this clone because our other case we will have a problem. So we'll delete that clone and you'll wait for randomly. So 1 to 3 seconds. And I forgot. This layering thing, this is going worse because just a minute. I'll move at same speed as a ground sprite. So we can make this change faster. Okay, make a new variable called speed x and make it for old sprite and set it to -7 and set it to speed x and duplicate that and set it to speed x. Because why I did that? Because if you need to change that by -10, you need to change this by -10 and -10, and that will be hard. And our pipes will be changed by speed x. Okay, now if we try running the project, this is looking kind of good, but it's boring. And actually, even the layering is going worse. So let's see. Go to back layer. This is a layering thingy, so this layers everything. So this is much cleaner now. But just a minute. I'm just gonna wait for 0.5 to 1.5 seconds. Now this is looking good, but we have a major problem that this pipe is only have this costume. So we'll duplicate the pipe 1 and switch it to pipe 2 and drag the whole thing. Okay. Just a minute. What is happening? What is happening? Just a minute. And okay, just a minute. And while holding down the shift key, this moves perfectly lined up. Okay, now you can make any different shapes you want. I have this major pipe. We can duplicate that and the exact same thing. And you can duplicate this and have a lot of fun trying to create some awesome thingies. So okay, and flip it upside down. Okay, and now that is right. Make it go a little bit up. Now if we try running the project, it still shows one pipe, so we need to generate a random pipes. So this is really easy to do. Switch costume to pick random one. So how many costumes? 5 costumes. So this will generate a 5 random costumes between any costume. Now if you're trying the project, yeah. This is looking so flappy-ish. Now I think I'm gonna shrink my player down. And also I'll drag out this block and drag it to players, which is this part, because this player will control everything, and delete this from this round sprite and set it to that. Okay, now this thing is too big. Let's set size to 15. Now that's much easier. And now we are pretty done. But the last problem is we don't have any collision yet. We can just throw around this. Wow. That. We're gonna do some awesome things. Collision detection. Drag out another when green flag click block. And on here, from here, you'll remove every green flag now, because we don't need that anymore. Because right now we don't need that anymore. Just a minute. Now on the pipe sprite, you just need to delete the when green flag clicked. On the ground, we don't have a logo, and here we don't need that. And if we try to test it out, nothing happens. And then that's exactly what you need to do. If something happens, like your ground moves or player do something, pipe creates, then you have a major problem. I think you didn't separate off any green flag. So now what I'm gonna do, when I receive a new message, call it game on, drag it to game on script and game on script. Then continuing on here, set it to game on. Game on. Now it still does not work until we broadcast this message. Then everything works normally. But why did I add a why did I add a game on broadcast? You'll learn. You'll need to watch full video, then you'll know this. So I'll continue doing. Now when I receive game on, wait until touching pipe. Then we're gonna stop all for testing. Now if we try running the project, everything's good. Or touching something else, maybe a ground. Same thing on. Oh dear, why did I start running this ground? Boom! Now this is cool. Now how are you gonna do this? This is not fun. Yeah, we are a little bit playable, but this is not fun. So we'll reset everything. Make a new variable called score, and for all sprites, because we need for now. And set score to 0. And set score to 0, we don't need that, and we just need to focus a game on script. Now, this is not good. This is not that good. Because this is not that fun anymore. Because we just have a score. That's not fun. Yeah, we don't change the score. So when I start as a clone, wait until now less than block. Now if the pipes position is less than, where was that? Go to sensing, you drag out this block. In the last rocket tutorial, we'll do that. Player's X position. Then we'll change the score by 1. We have a major problem. These clones are getting worse. How we're gonna fix that? These clones are getting worse and worse. So when green flag clicked, you see in the if condition, if we say a hello on right there, I'll just okay, that's a minute. I'll just switch to hello. If condition, we set it to empty condition. If we set it to empty condition, when it is empty, we just say hello, or if it's not, we just turn by 10. We move by 10 steps. Now, if I'll just go to 0, 0, and if we try running the project, it moves 10 steps, because empty condition always runs this. But if we set this to not, then it says hello. So this is good. We're gonna exactly do that. Now drag out the if not, then you delete this clone, because actually if we plug in this code, we cannot drag out this code anymore. So yeah, we need this code if condition, and this if condition works so well, and game is playable now. Oh dear, I'm terrible. My high score, somebody beats my high score. Yeah, I think my high score is 5. Just a minute. Wait. Wait, you have same problem on ground. Wait a moment. We drag out this, we just duplicate that block and drag it to ground sprite. Yeah, okay, on the pipe sprite, you delete that code. On the ground sprite, if not, then we just delete this clone. So yeah. 4 or 5 clones? Yeah, we are pretty much done. We are pretty done. Let's add some sound effects. I borrowed some other scratcher, but now I'll just do my own sounds. So on the pipe sprite, let's see, search for sounds. Go to effect, worse, wow, no, no. I think this is good. And here, on right here, we start sound coin. Yeah, this is good. So I hope you had a really time adding more levels and beating your high score. I think you have a really great time. So see you in the next video. And subscribe and like and please leave a comment down below. And thank you. Bye bye everyone. I hope you have a great time on Scratch.